you ever felt completely alone in a small, quiet house? An old man named Leo by himself. Every day was the same until a tiny visitor changed everything. This is a story about friendship, hope, and a secret that will touch your heart. Watch until the end to see the miracle. Leo was a kind man with white hair. He lived in a house with a beautiful garden. But Leo was sad because he had no friends. He sat on his porch every morning, drinking tea and watching the empty street. The world felt very quiet and grey to him. One windy day, Leo heard a soft sound. Under a large tree, he found a small blue bird. The bird could not fly, its wing was hurt. Leo picked it up gently. "Don't worry, little friend," he whispered. "I will help you." He felt happy for the first time. Leo made a small bed for the bird near the window. He fed it every day. He took it to the bird about his life and his dreams. The bird listened and started to chirp. The house was not quiet anymore. The gray days became bright and full of music. Weeks passed and the bird's wings was strong again. It started flying around the living room. Leo knew the bird wanted to go back to the sky. He was sad. If the bird lives, will he be lonely again? But Leo loved his friend and wanted to be free. Leo took the bird to the garden. He opened his hands, and the bluebird flew high into the trees. Leo smiled with tears in his eyes. He said goodbye, but then something amazing happened. The bird didn't fly away. It sat on a branch and sang a loud song. Leo learned that when you give love, you receive much more. Kindness is a seed that grows into a forest of happiness. What about you? Have you ever helped someone and felt your life change? Tell us your story in the comments. Bye.